Assalamu alaikum, all of my Muslim brothers and sisters and other religious. Take my cordial love from the bottom of my heart. I hope that in this time that you are passing an incredible moment. I'm also passing an incredible moment with my friends and my family. You know that last day we have passed Eid al-Azha. That this day was we have uh, sacrificed most of the animals, and they sacrificed to our almighty creator, and we have passed this day is very incredibly because most of the people, those who are passing with their families and friends. I'm also passing with my friends and family. So now I hope that all of you are take care of your family, and take care of your friends. So no more now, guys. Take care till then. Allah Hafiz.